Hi, I'm Donna with Donna's Products, and I'd like to thank the AVACRAFT company for sending me this beautiful 5-quart Dutch oven. It is absolutely wonderful. It has the glass lid, which I absolutely love. You can see what you're cooking. The other thing I like about it is it has the grip on the lid to prevent burning, and you don't have to use pot holders for these. I love the Dutch oven. It also has the handle grips. And it makes it so easy when you need to lift a pot off the stove to cook. I'm going to make a very special recipe today. It is a gumbo, and so we'll see how it works. Okay, the roux is almost done. It's called a brick roux, and we're ready to add our Trinity in it. But the thing I want to show you is how nicely and evenly this roux cooked. It's not darker in one spot or the other. I love the pot that it cooks. Okay, our gumbo is done. It is just so nice to be able to pick up the handle without being burned. I can move the pot, and it's safe. As with this Dutch oven, I hope that you'll give it a try. It is truly a great product. I'm Donna with Donna's Products.